Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to do unboxing of this Xiaomi power bank 4i model. Actually this is a 20,000 mAh battery guys, and it will support 33 watt sonic charger. Actually it's kind of a fast charging, and here you can see here they mentioned the type C, both the input and output, smart power management, short circuit protection, and 1 year warranty, and temperature protection, and outdoor current protection. All protection is there in this power bank actually. And this power bank weight is 440 grams guys. Actually I purchased this power bank in Amazon at rupees cost of 2099, and even you can also purchase this product in Amazon also guys. And okay guys, let's come on now. It's time to do an unboxing of this product. Okay guys, I have removed this tape, and now it's time to open it out. Let's come on. Actually this is a black color guys, so there's a different color options is there in this power bank. Let's we need to take this out from here. Let's come on. Yeah, here you can see guys, is the power bank, Xiaomi power bank actually. You can see both type C supported type is there, cable is there, both type C cable. And now it's time to open this cover guys. Let's go on, because I'm going to take this out. Here you can see, here's the black color power bank guys, Xiaomi, the branding name is here. And here you can see, here's the USB ports, and type C is here. That's it. And here you can see guys, here's the button is there. Why they are giving, actually why they have given this means it's for safety purpose guys. If you just make a double tap means, here you can see the power bank is now turned on. Actually if you do this double tap means it's for safety purpose, for charging a low power device with safety. Actually power bank is turned on. And not only this guys, there is a quick charge 3.0 support is also there guys. And in product itself they have mentioned like different kinds of models, like if you're having any iPhone 15 Pro Max means you're charging that iPhone in this power bank means it will charge 50%, charge will get complete in 29 minutes guys. They are mentioned in official branding page in Amazon actually. I have found that. And for Redmi 13 Pro Plus, if you're charging Redmi 13 Pro Plus in this power bank means 50% charge will get complete in 27 minutes. It's good. Actually it supports quick charge 3.0, so only can make a fast charging actually. And this is a 20,000 mAh guys, and weight is 440 gram around. Not only phone guys, you can charge electronic devices like watch and headphones and all. You can charge easily through this power bank guys. It's good actually. Yeah, okay, it's kind of a matte finish thing. It's good. And okay guys, it's good actually. This I need to test this, and it's just unboxing video only guys. It's good. Okay, and next thing what they're given, there's a user manual, and that's it guys. I think inside this box, other than this, there's a cable is there for this power bank. You can charge using this cable actually. And okay guys, so getting this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any questions or doubts, just ask in the comment section guys, to every reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.